Hi, welcome to Glighted Fix. My name is Felicia. In this video, I'll be sharing with you on how to recover suspended Twitter accounts. This can happen for different reasons, but these are few ways to resolve it. Now, the first is to go to any browser of your choice, type in Twitter Help Center. So when you do that, it's going to give you this page where you have to click on the first link here. From here, you just have to scroll gently. You're going to see managing your accounts. So right here, you're going to see about suspended accounts. Just click on it. So you have to scroll gently and go through all this to get what is really happening. So right here it says file an appeal and we may be able to unsuspend the account. If you're unable to unsuspend your own account using the instruction above, you think that we may made a mistake suspending or locking your account, you can appeal. First, log into your account that is suspended, then open a new browser tab and file in your appeal. So you just click on file an appeal. From here, you just have to verify that you are a human being. So right here, I was able to verify that I'm a human being. Right here, all I have to do is to log into my Twitter account. Having done that, next thing you have to do is to type in this sample of this appeal that I just sent to you now. So the next thing you have to do is to type in this sample of this appeal that I just drop on your screen now, and just make sure you use the exact name that you have on your Twitter account as a username. Should be the name you use, and conclude your letter. So guys, that is it on how to recover suspended Twitter accounts. If this video is helpful, please do well to ask all your questions related to this topic on the comment section. Thanks for watching.